There's a good chance I'm going to delete this video. This is going to be the third in a part for my roper dryer. It failed. I ordered a part that came from Amazon. This one was made in China. This one here is the right part number for the controller assembly. The problem was the motor was bad. So let's take a look and see what we can find out about this assembly. All right, this is the old one that's going to find its way to the garbage. The contacts all look pretty good. There's this mechanism, which is a rotating wheel. But this is the little engine that could. When I measured the contacts originally, there was a difference. The one that worked had 13 k ohms. This one had a 10% difference or so. And let's go to resistance. And this was 11.7. So it's close to being 10% lower. If you're ever going to get a meter, this is a great one. The Fluke 88V or 5 automotive unit. Okay, so we see here we have little divots where that was bent over. So let me go find a screwdriver and pull these out. Stand by. I went out in the garage and tried to tap out these things with a screwdriver. And what I decided to do was basically put this in a vise, use channel locks, and spin this out, and these little gears fell out. If you look, there's a bunch of little gears with various colors. I don't know how they all went in. This one gear in particular was the one that stuck out, which spins the larger portion, spins this guy here. If you look there, it spins. None of them are damaged. What we have is a motor which is bad. There's no reason. Oh, here's another gear right there, the yellow one. The resistance measurements are different. I don't know exactly if I can get this out. It looks like that I can't, but let me see what I can do. All right. I went out there and used my, these are great tools, some flat punches. This is a USA, it's made by Tekton, T-E-K-T-O-N. They're good tools. I'll leave a link in the description. Originally, this was setting with this piece and this piece in here. That was the first thing that came out when I drove in here with the punch. I then had to go through these other holes and drive down to knock out this inner ring. You can see this is the inner ring, this is the other ring that would hold this piece of conductor. This is a coil. All right, so I'm going to say I have conclusively convinced myself that this part failed over time because of resistance. I hope I can get a good picture. There we go. It came out. Okay, this failed because internally there was too much resistance. This is what the inside, you see, these are all copper wires that are spun, and they should be separate. The actual unit that was good that came had 13 kilo ohms. This one was at 11.8. So it basically, that's what caused it to die. Now all this stuff, that's plastic. It's all going to find its way into the to the salvage. So that's it. I'm happy that I know what's going in, and that's what you have. When you look at this stuff, you have basically this part here. It sits inside. It has the contacts that go that arc the make contact to drive the connections. You got two screws that hold the plate on. You have inside gearing on this little electric motor. And these are the pieces for the motor. This is an assembly. And then you have the inductive coil. There are no real electronic parts. It's simple and wonderful. It's working great for me now. I'm going to do another load of laundry after I stop this video because I don't want it making noise trying to interrupt what I'm doing. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this has been informative. Thank you.